We are at the Emerald Maldives, a deluxe all-inclusive property here in the Raw Atoll. If you're new to this channel, I'm Marin. Max is behind the camera today, and we are Voyager Guru. Today we're gonna get started with an overwater pool villa, and before we get inside, I wanted to call out these amazing wooden key cards. In a sustainability effort to remove single-use plastics from the property, we have a wooden key card. How cool is that? Let's go ahead and jump in. This is the overwater pool villa. It is a very standard setup for an overwater villa where you have the desk area and the mini bar. You've got the beautiful king bed on the other side facing that blue lagoon. Every room type of this category we have across many properties in the Maldives. We have this nice sitting area before you access the outdoor deck. From the bedroom and the bathroom, you have direct access to the overwater pool, as well as the dining set, the lounge set, and the hammock. Now, the only difference between this room and the overwater villa without a pool is going to be that pool addition. Overwater rooms do have the hammock set, the dining set, and the lounge set directly within it, just not the pool. All of the pool rooms do face out towards a sunset-y side, so you're gonna have the nice island view. The non-pool villas do face towards the other side, which gets a little bit more of the morning light, but no afternoon light. So let's go ahead and check out the bathroom, which frankly is my favorite part. So you can see that beautiful artwork here on the wall. We've got paintings of Nemo and other sea creatures that you find in the Maldives. There is a TV for those interested, but who needs that when you have that view? Now the bathroom is my favorite part of this room. It is gigantic. It might even be bigger than the actual bedroom. We've got the jetted tub, we've got the indoor shower, Lokitan products, which is a really nice high-end touch. We also have the his and hers vanity here, which is a very beautiful, ornate decoration for the bathroom, but a really nice touch. And at the back of the room, we have the wardrobe on one side, very sizable, as well as the toilet room and the bidet on the other. Toilet room also has a nice window in case you want to do your business with a little bit of a view. You also have the direct access to the outside from the bathroom, so really, really easy to get to the outdoors. And I haven't actually showered inside yet because we have this beautiful outdoor shower, which, I don't know, I prefer that in the Maldives. But this is our overwater pool villa. We're gonna check out some of the beach villas next, so let's go check them out. All right, here we are at the Superior Beach Villa at Emerald Maldives. Every single villa gets a bike. How cool is that? And they have fat tires, which is perfect for the soft sand that we have here on the island. So this is one of the highest room types on land. It's going to be exactly the same as the overwater Superior Villa as well. So what you're going to see here is a beautiful, massive sofa. This room is basically the king bedroom in all of the other villas, except now you have a giant sofa to lounge out on, with access to the outdoors, which we'll take a look at in just a moment. What you'll notice in every room here is the art. I love the art in this room myself because you got the whale shark, you got the manta rays. It's a really nice addition that they switch it up in each of the rooms. Now moving on to the bedroom, you have basically the same exact thing as all of the other rooms in terms of the primary bedroom. You've got a really nice king bed, the same access to the outdoors where we have the pool, the chaise lounges, direct access to the best snorkeling on the island, as well as a sitting area in this room as well. Let's head into the bathroom. There's one feature here that's going to be a little bit different than all of the other rooms, which is the bathtub. Very romantic, so perfect honeymoon room. You've got the indoor shower and my favorite outdoor shower. But as you can see, this is pretty much the same as all the other rooms with the exception of the tub. Now the outdoors is where it gets really interesting in this room, so let's go take a look. And you'll see from this room, both sides have access. You have a beautiful view. This is the sunrise side of the island, where you have the best snorkeling on the island, as well as a beautiful beach access. Very quiet on this side. There's no bars or really restaurants nearby. We've got nice chaise lounges, as well as a really big pool. Now, my favorite part of this villa is actually this day bed that you'll find here on one side of the room. It's just a really nice lounging place to hang out, as well as look at the beautiful ocean right there. So really nice access to the lagoon. I think of all the beach villas, this is my favorite for honeymooning couples. So let us know what you think in the comments, but we're gonna go check out some of the other rooms. Okay, we are at the Family Beach Pool Villa here, so let's go check it out. This is a great option for families with kids here at Emerald, where you get the best of both worlds, a room for the parents and a room for the kids. What you'll notice is a little bit different is the entryway here. So you have the kids' room and the primary, which we're gonna see first. And as we walk in here, this is gonna be the most familiar in terms of what you're seeing in other rooms, in terms of the king bed, the nice desk area, the art on the wall. The minibar setup's a little bit different. You're gonna see that on this side of the room, the beautiful king bed, and a nice like, lagoon view right outside. So this pool at the villa is actually massive. You're gonna see it span the entire length of the villa, but it has the kids' room as well. You have a dining set for 4, chaise lounges for 4, and we're gonna check that out last, but let's go check out the bathroom, which is always my favorite part of any room. A little bit of different art here in terms of like the nice little dolphin print, which we did not have in our room, which is nice to add a touch to the walls here. Nice desk space, and the bathroom is gonna be very similar. The only thing that's gonna be different is the outdoor shower. You're gonna have the his and hers closet on one side, toilet and bidet on the other, and then what you're familiar with, which is the double vanity, the bathtub, the indoor shower, and my always favorite, the outdoor shower as well. I never shower indoors in the Maldives, and no one ever should. Very private, so we like that. Let's go check out the kids' room. So what you'll see when you enter the kids' room is it has access to that main entry hall. And the kids' room is 2 twin beds. So definitely comfortable for 2, probably not more. And you're gonna see that same access to the outside. The bathroom's gonna be a little bit different from the other rooms. You're gonna see the vanity behind me, the shower, and a toilet. So they have their own bathroom, don't have to disturb mom and dad. Now, what connects both rooms besides the entry hall is the outdoor area. So both rooms have direct access to the patio, where you're gonna find all the chaise lounges, the dining set, really nice big pool, and another outdoor shower. So if the kids want it as well, they have one here. And what you're gonna find is on the sunrise side, you're gonna see a really nice beach access from here. This is where the best house reef is as well. So the drop off happens just a few feet out of this beach area. So really nice snorkeling. This is the Family Beach Pool Villa. Really nice for families. Let's go check out the next room. This is our final villa today. We are looking at the Presidential Overwater Villa. It is the largest villa on the Overwater jetty, all the way at the end, beautifully framed by palm trees, and it's pretty sweet. So let's go check it out. One of the coolest features in the room is just inside. And as a note, there is a beach villa. It's called the Royal Beach Villa. It's comparable to the Presidential Overwater. It just has 3 bedrooms and is on the beach instead of this Overwater spectacular view that you'll see right inside. Now, what you'll notice right away is the indoor-outdoor swimming pool. It is insane. On both sides of me, there are 2 big bedrooms that are just like all the other bedrooms in the villas on property, but this is the central home point of the room. This is our indoor-outdoor pool. It goes up and down with a garage-style switch, which we don't need to take down today. You also have an indoor dining room, full living room setup, and a minibar. The minibar has everything you need from all the booze that's already included in the room, as well as water, storage, etc., and you can make cocktails. Now, both bedrooms are the exact same, so I'm just going to show you this one today. Beautiful king bed. It might look very familiar to all the other rooms. Nothing really changes here. We have the nice art on the walls, we got the big king bed, and a gorgeous view straight outside. Now, the only difference in the entire room, honestly, is the sliding door into the bathroom. I personally prefer this door over the doors that open and close, just a little bit sleeker. You'll see in the bathroom, this is exactly like the Superior Beach Villa that we saw. We have that same jetted tub, as well as the double vanity, beautiful indoor shower. Behind me are the washroom and the his and hers closets. But the best part about this room, besides that insane swimming pool, is the outdoor space. Also, like the Superior Beach Villa, you have that same day bed, which is super nice to just relax in, like watching the sunset. This room does have a spectacular sunset view. It sits right off of the deck. A great part about this room too is that it is extremely private. You have nothing but the lagoon right in front of you, as well as your access to the pool and access to go swimming right next to us here. And just like all the other rooms, we do have a hammock set up on the other side. And finally, on the far end of the deck, we have the dining setup outdoors, as well as 2 additional chaise lounges. I absolutely love this suite. It is so beautiful, and I can't wait to watch the sunset here. That concludes our room tour here today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you want to check out our full hotel review of this property, be sure to check it up in the top corner. And as always, I'm Marin, Max is the man behind the camera, and we are Voyager Guru. See you out there!